Welcome to Turks Who Eat. We're Alex and Mehmet, a couple who loves to travel and eat. We also bring our dog, Bindi, along with us for as many adventures as possible. We love traveling, and eating local foods tends to be the highlight of our travels. We love to discover the local dishes and learn how to make them ourselves. Follow along with us as we explore the world, discover local foods, and attempt to recreate them. Today we're excited to show you one of our absolute favorite places, Bandol, France. Bandol is special because it is part of the Provence region of France and also part of the amazing Mediterranean coast. This prime placement means that Bandol has the best of food, wine, and the sea. One of the reasons we love Bandol is that it has a number of sandy beaches with clear blue waters. It also has a large marina which houses many boats and yachts. Along the water is a beautiful promenade surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and during the summer hosts a bustling arts market. One of our favorite things about Bandol is its excellent food scene. The town is filled with top quality restaurants, wine bars, and bakeries. There are so many great places to eat, it can often be hard to decide. We spent an entire week here and still have more places on our list that we didn't get to try. In addition to its great food, Bandol is also famous for its wine. The main grape in this region is Mourvèdre, a red grape that thrives in warm, dry conditions. Bandol produces outstanding red wines that age well and develop a lot of complexity. They also produce excellent rosés that are fresh, crisp, and perfect for sipping by the sea. The Bandol wine region has absolutely stunning scenery. We highly suggest booking a wine tour when you visit. Just 20 minutes from the sea, you can drive through picturesque countrysides, beautiful vineyards, and taste some delicious wines. In addition to the wine, this region is also well known for some culinary delights, particularly tapenade and enchilade. Tapenade is an olive-based spread, and enchilade is a similar paste made from anchovies. You've likely also heard of herbe de Provence, a mixture of dried herbs originating from this region. Around Bandol, you can find a number of local products such as salts and butters that incorporate this mixture. Herbs are important in the dish we're making today, Beef Daube Provencal. This hearty beef stew calls for a boquet garni, a bundle of herbs often found in traditional French dishes. While these are often easy to find in French grocery stores, they may not be so easy to find at home, so you can always make your own if needed. At first glance, Beef Daube Provencal may seem similar to the famous beef bourguignon, but its reliance on the flavors of the region of Provence make it quite different. This dish combines beef with local flavors such as orange, olives, and local red wine, slowly simmered to create a delicious meal. To make the Beef Daube Provencal, you will need 2 pounds of beef chuck cut into chunks or braising cuts, 1 bottle of red wine, ideally a local one, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, 2 tablespoons of flour, 4 large tomatoes, the zest of 1 orange, 1 bouquet garni, beef stock, half a cup of pitted black olives, and some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Begin by preparing your vegetables. You'll want to chop the onion, peel and chop the carrots, mince the garlic, and chop the tomatoes. Heat some oil in a heavy-bottomed pot on medium-high heat and add the beef to the pot. Season it with salt and pepper. Brown it on all sides, then remove the beef from the pot and set aside. Lower the heat to medium and add your onion, garlic, and carrots. Season it with salt and pepper. Then sauté them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they have softened. Then add the 2 tablespoons of flour to the pot. Cook for about 1 minute while stirring, then deglaze with a 1/4 cup of the red wine. Add the beef back to the pot, and then the chopped tomatoes, the orange zest, 2 to 3 cups of beef stock, just enough to cover the mixture.
And the boquet garni.
Allow the stew to simmer for about 2 to 3 hours until the beef is very tender. Before serving, add the olives and remove the boquet garni. This stew is great served by itself or alongside some potatoes or noodles. The orange zest and olives give it a unique flavor that is unlike other beef stews and highlight the local flavors of Provence. Enjoy it with a glass of Bandol wine for a perfectly local meal. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about one of our favorite places and cooking one of our favorite meals. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see where we're cooking next.